In this part, we'll talk about what are the major documentations which students need to submit for Latvia Study Visa process. What are the step-by-step process for the international students to get the visa, as well as what are the major elements that students need to keep in mind in order to avoid or eliminate the rejection chances. Documentation: you must need to have a valid passport, MOI, IELTS, PTE, whatever the documents you have, your academic education documents like your 10th, 12th, graduation, marksheet and certificate copies, a proper resume which is updated and your gap has been already justified there. Apart from that, you must need to submit your employment documents if you have any gap. Now, let's talk about the step-by-step process. The first stage is where you have to submit your documents in a proper correct scan copy. Second stage will be, we're going to go for an interview. The university is going to take an interview online. Once it is done, then the university will going to release the offer letter. Once you receive the offer letter, then you will going to pay the application fee to the university. Post application fee submission, we're going to go for the AIC process, the Academic Investigation Center, done by the Latvian government, who will going to verify your education documents authenticity. AIC process is going to take approximate like 3 to 4 weeks time. Once your AIC report comes positive, then students will going to receive agreement copy as well as some other documents which they need to sign and send it back to Latvia. Post that, student has to pay the tuition fees to the university. Once your tuition fee has been submitted, then the next step will be halo verification. It will be done by the Latvian government, who will going to evaluate or verify your background like police clearance and medical. Post that, we're going to submit your application to the Latvian VFS. Once you're going to submit, it's going to take 12 to 15 working days to get your visa done. It's very important for the international students to keep in mind what are the major elements which they need to take care of in order to reduce or eliminate any kind of rejection chances. If you are looking to apply for Latvia Study Visa, make sure you will not going to furnish any kinds of fraudulent documents. Point number 2, fund requirement. It's very important for that international students to understand how to show the fund and the correct way to show the fund. The fund requirement for the Latvia Study Visa is 9,400 euro. Either you can show it in your account or your parents' account for 3 months older funds, or else you can do the FTS. FTS means you will going to block that fund in that Latvian bank, and once you moved over there, you can take out the money month-wise for your living purpose. Point number 3, your gap justification should be proper. That means no fabricated document you will furnish. Make sure that on Latvia always have 2-step verification process. One, they will going to do during the AIC process. Second, they will going to take care of during the halo verification process. So any kind of fabricated document can lead you towards the rejection chances. For more details, contact us in the number given below, and my team will going to assist you how to apply for Latvia Study Visa, whether you are eligible for Latvia Study Visa or not, and what are the prerequisite documents required to achieve the visa success. Thank you so much.